Srishti Somalji. I am from Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Now, this is Skyfi Lab tall building assignment. The question is that there are 23 stories building, or there is 1 to 8 stories are similar with dead load 2 kN per meter square, live load 5 kN per meter square. Story 9 to 12, 9 to 14 are similar with dead load 2 kN per meter square, live load 5 kN per meter square. Story 15 to 19 are similar with dead load 2 kN per meter square and live load of 4 kN per meter square. Story 20 to 23 are similar with dead load of 2 kN per meter square and live load of 3.5 kN per meter square. The plans are as shown in the figure. Then the beam and column details are: columns are of sizes 500 by 500 mm, 550 by 550 mm, 600 by 600 mm, and beams are of 500 by 300 mm, 550 by 350 mm, and 600 by 400 mm. The grade of concrete used are M40 concrete, and rebar are of HYSD 500 and mild steel of 250. Then slab is made with M40 grade of concrete and 150 mm in thickness. Then autodrock cladding with load of 0.2 kN per meter. And consider the building is made in Bangalore. So let us start the design. Go to the file menu and select new model tab. Under this, use built-in settings with and click on OK. Then change the spacing in X and Y direction as 6 meter respectively. Number of stories to 23 meter. Use custom story data and edit story data as 1 to 8 stories are similar to each other. Hence, story 8 is a master story and all 1 to 7 stories are similar to 8. Similarly, story number 14 is a master story and all are similar to story number 14. Then click on OK. Then go to the define menu and material property. Select add new material for concrete M40 grade of concrete. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Then again add new property of steel HYSD grade 500 and mild steel grade as 250. Then click on OK. Again go to the define menu. Section properties, select frame sections. Add new property rectangular column. Add column of size 500 by 500. Grade of M40. Change the size and go to the modify / show rebar. Longitudinal bars are changed to HYSD 500 and confinement to mild 250. Add new property similarly. Then go to the auto select and create a column auto select of concrete. Then add 3 column sizes and click on OK. Again add new properties for beam sections as 500 by 300. Concrete grade of M40. Then modify or show rebar properties M3. Change cover to the M25 mm for beams. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Make the copies of beam sections and then make beam auto select. Add the 3 beam sections and click on OK. Now for defining slab sections, go to the define menu, section properties, slab sections, add new property, slab of 150 M40 grade of concrete and the depth thickness is 150 mm. Click on OK. Then go to the plan and at the story number 1, click on OK. For selecting columns, for drawing columns, go to the draw menu, draw beam column braces and go to the quick draw columns. Select property as column auto select and draw columns. Then similarly draw beams by selecting similar stories at bottom right corner. Click on OK. Go to the draw menu, draw floors, quick draw floor of slab 150. Then go to the plan, story number 9 and make sure that similar stories are selected. Similarly, draw the column as per the plan provided in design question. Make sure the property should be column auto select. Similarly, draw the beams. Make sure that property should be beam auto select. Now draw slabs of 150 mm thickness. Now go to the story number 15. Make sure that similar stories are selected. Adopt same procedure for drawing of columns, beams and slabs. Draw column, beams and slab as per design questions. Now go to the story 1. Similarly, draw column, beams and slabs on story number 20. Make sure that similar stories are selected. Similarly, draw the slabs. Now go to the story number 1. Click on OK. For application of load, select all stories and go to the assign menu to shade loads uniform. Make sure that dead load is there. Apply the dead load of 2 kN per meter square and click on OK. Select the slabs first. Then go to the assign menu, shade loads uniform 2 kN. Apply OK. Click on OK. 2 kilonewton per meter square load is applied. Now make the similar stories for application of live loads. Go to the assign menu, select shared loads uniforms, make the dead load to live load and apply live load of 5 kilonewton per meter square. Click on OK. Then go to the story number 9. Select all the slabs. Go to the assign menu, shell loads, uniform loads and 4.5 kilonewton per meter square live load. Apply. Click on OK. Similarly to the 15 story, apply the live load of 4 kilonewton per meter square to the similar stories. Then go to the story number 20. Click on OK. Select slabs. Go to the assign menu, share loads uniform. Load should be 3.5 kilonewton per meter square. Click on OK. Live load is applied to all the buildings. Now go to the story number 1. Make sure that similar stories are selected and select all boundary beams. By selecting all outer beams, go to the assign menu. Go to the frame loads, distributed load and 0.2 cladding loads. Apply, then click on OK. 0.2 kilonewton cladding load is applied. Then go to the story number 9. Select outer beams. Then go to the assign menu, frame loads, distributed and apply 0.2 kilonewton per meter load. Click on OK. Then go to the story number 15. Select all outer beams and follow same procedure for application of cladding loads. Go to the assign menu, frame loads, distributed load, apply 0.2 kilonewton per meter load. Click on OK. Now go to the story number 20. Select all outer beams. Go to the assign menu, frame loads, distributed and apply 0.2 kilonewton per meter load. Click on OK. Then go to the top story 23. Select one story option at this time and select all external beams. After selecting external beams, go to the assign menu, frame loads, distributed and select delete existing loads option. Click on apply and click on OK. Now go to the plan menu and go to the base option. Click on OK. Select all the joints and go to the assign menu, joints, select restraints and select first fixed option. Select on apply and click on OK to exit. All columns are then changed in fixed columns. Then go to the draw menu, auto draw cladding, and use floors option. Cladding is drawn to our building. Now go to the define menu and load patterns. Type wind load. Select wind load in the load option and select IS 875 2015 for wind load. Click on add new load, modify lateral load. As the building is designed in Bangalore, hence VB is equal to 33. Terrain category is 3. Importance factor risk coefficient is 1, topography factor is 1 as per IS 875. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now select all story. Go to the elevation A. Click on OK. Select all shales. Then go to the assign menu. Select shale loads, wind pressure coefficient, and type the wind pressure coefficient as 0.8 in windward side as per IS 875. Click on apply and click on OK to exit. Then go to the elevation again. This time select B. Select all shales and coefficient to 0.8. Apply. Click on OK. Now select D first. Then go to the select all shales and then go to the assign menu, shale loads, wind pressure coefficient. This time coefficient is minus 0.25 in leeward sides. Click on apply and then click on OK to exit. Then select C side. Click on OK. So wind pressure coefficient is 0.25 in leeward side. Click on OK to exit. Now go to the elevation. Select first and select the shales in first, second, third and fourth elevation view by drop down arrow. Select all the shales in second view. Similarly, select all the elevation views in third and fourth view. After selecting, go to the assign menu, shade loads, wind pressure coefficient and select coefficient as minus 0.8 in leeward side. Click on apply. Now go to the plan at story 1. Click on OK. All the wind loads are applied as we can see in the plan. Then select 3D view and use frame extrude option. Now go to the analyze menu and run analysis. Save the file. Wait while the software done analysis on our building. After analysis is completed, the deflected shape of building is shown. By right clicking, the details of that point can be seen. This is the animation. Click on stop animation and go to the design menu, concrete frame design, and start design or check. Wait while software design our building. "704 concrete frames are failed. Select yes." Now software changes the dimensions of that 704 members, and again software will do analysis and design of our building. Now go to the design menu and concrete frame design and select verify all members passed. All members are passed is shown by our software. Then go to the reports, summary report. This is the full report of our building design. All the details are given in that report. In this way the design is complete.